Hi everyone, welcome to today's conversation. I'm Kaviya and with me is Madhu. Today we're diving into a topic that most people misunderstand NFTs. The moment you say NFT, people think of cartoon pictures, overpriced monkeys, and hype. But actually, NFTs are way bigger than that. They are becoming tools for identity, certificates, tickets, gaming, and much more. So today we are breaking the stereotype and talking about NFTs really are and where they're actually useful. So, Madhu, when you first heard about NFTs, what did you imagine they were?
Honestly, Kavya, I thought NFTs were just expensive digital drawings, like people buying JPEG for lakhs of rupees. But actually, I understood the tech. I realized NFTs are basically digital ownership certificates. They can represent anything like a degree, a ticket, a membership pass, even your identity. Art is just a small part of it. Okay, Kavya, like for someone new to this, how do you explain what an NFT is in the simplest way?
So, I explained NFTs like this. Imagine a digital item that has only one official copy, verified on blockchain. You can screenshot an image, but you cannot screenshot ownership. NFTs are basically proof of authenticity. If Web gave us likes and photos, Web3 gives us verifiable digital assets. So, one of the most practical uses of nowadays in certificates and credentials. Can I talk about that?
Absolutely, Kavya. NFTs for certificates are one of the most powerful use cases. Imagine your college degree, internships, achievements all stored as NFTs. No one can fake them, no one can lose them, and employees can verify them instantly. Platforms like SecureDApp DID system actually use this concept blockchain secured credentials. Kavya, another big use case in NFT tickets, they do you think NFT tickets are greater popular?
So, ticket fraud is a massive issue. Fake QR codes, duplicate passes, scalping. So, NFT tickets solve all of this. Each ticket is unique and traceable. The organizers can verify it instantly. There's no duplicates, there's no attendees, can even keep it as a collection. Concerts, conferences, and sports events are already using NFT tickets. Okay, Madhu, gaming. This is where NFTs are super fun. What happens there?
Yes, gaming is actually where NFTs makes the most sense. Today, when you buy a skin or a character, you don't own anything. The game owns it. But NFT gaming, your skin, weapons, characters, everything is truly yours. You can sell them, trade them, even move them across platforms. It's like digital assets come real assets. Kavya, speaking for assets, identity is a huge topic. Can NFT support digital identity?
Absolutely, yes. Digital identity is probably the future of NFTs. Your ID, permissions, access, badges, all can be NFTs. Think of an NFT as a digital ID card. But instead of being stored by a company, you own it in your wallet. This also helps with logins. One NFT is identity to access multiple apps securely. What about memberships and communities? I heard NFTs are reshaping how communities work.
Yes, Kavya. NFT memberships are huge. Imagine getting access to a community, a set of resources or premium content, not through a password. But by owning a membership NFT, it like carrying a digital access card that you can't be forgotten. People are building entire clubs, learning communities, and loyalty programs through NFT memberships. Kavya, let's make it even more practical. What's one real world example in India where NFT can help?
Okay, one simple example is education certificates. We know how common fake certificates are. If all universities issued NFTs instead of PDFs, verification would be instant and impossible to cheat. Another example is local events and workshops. NFT passes would stop duplicated entries. People often say NFTs are a scam. What do you think causes that misunderstanding?
Yes, Kavya, the misunderstandings comes from hype. In 2021, NFTs were mostly art and speculation. Prices were crazy, people were flipping images, and many got scammed. But NFTs themselves are not scam, they are technology. It's like blaming the internet because someone got scammed in a mail. The real value of NFTs in utility ownership, identity access. Kavya, for students listening, how can you start exploring NFT safely?
So I'll tell start small, create a wallet, mint a free NFT on test network, explore marketplaces like OpenSea or Zora, and join communities. Don't buy anything expensive at the beginning. Just understand the technology and explore practical use cases. And before we close, one last thing. What's the future of NFTs in your opinion?
The future of NFTs is invisible. People won't even know they are using NFTs. They will use digital certificates, digital identities, and digital ownerships without thinking about blockchain. NFTs will go from hype topic to normal infrastructure.
Okay, that was really engaging topic. Thank you for listening and keep exploring Web3.